Uh, alright. Yeah. I'm a young living savage, man. Man, I'm a young living savage, man. Ran up on a nigga, let him have it, man. And I fucked your main bitch. Matter of fact, that was your main chick, and she sucked my whole clip. And I don't even give a shit, man. I hit the little nigga with the stick, man. AK-47, I mean the motherfucking Mac, man. Hollow tip, hit it with the motherfucking neck, man. Bullets ringing all through his back, man. Catch a bitch in traffic, shut him down, man. Yeah, that brick I wanted by a pound, man. And if a little nigga talk, don't play around, man. I'ma chop him down, man. With the fucking steel, man. I don't even give a fuck. I don't pop no pills, man. But I'll be in the field, man. On some real shit, on some gang shit. Pop a little nigga, kill him real quick. And all these little niggas keep on talking like they making money, but I'ma take it from them. And all these little niggas keep on talking like they cutting bricks, but I'ma take it from them. Run up in a nigga mansion, man. I'ma shut his whole mansion down. I'ma take it from him. Cause I'm a young living savage, and they call me Tay Homie. You know I'ma take it from him. I'm a motherfucking savage. If a little nigga talk, I better I'ma let him have it. Man, this is just bars. If a little nigga talk, I'ma go harder. And I don't even give a fuck, man. Let me know where you at, fuck, man. You a fuck boy, that's why you stuck, boy. Shot you in your lungs, now you ain't got shit to say. You just wanna be a driller, but you not, man. Y'all just wanna be hot, but you not, man. I'ma be up on your block around 5 o'clock. I'ma do a drop on your whole fucking fan, man. I'ma be in the field on some fucking famous shit. I'ma be in the field, I'ma be on some drilling shit. And yeah, I still got your main bitch, man. She in the house, sucking dick, man. Hey. Man, this is just bars, man. This is just bars, man. Man, this is just bars, man. And that was just bars, man. Man, foo-foo niggas, yo. I'm a real nigga, man. Niggas know how it go. Triple homie, bitch. Gang.